That's my miss boy, you get anything you like. Long as you alright, tell me alright. Me know your man, that's why me like you. To a woman that likes right. You see bump up the
Wagwan YouTube, it's Shickaa Chung and I'm back again with another video. This time this video is a New Year's Eve makeup look with dark lips. I can't believe it's the end of the year. Oh my god, it's 2018 tomorrow. That is just so crazy. But yeah, in this video I'll be showing you how to achieve this look. So I did a glitter eye with a dark lip. Yeah, them look here make you can take a girl man, make you can get any man you want and look good for New Year's Eve night. Yeah, so stick around to see how to get this look.
So hi guys, so I already started by prepping off my eyebrows. I already did them behind the camera. So right here I'm just clipping my hair back, you know, so my hair is not in the way. Yeah, goodie. So I'm just putting on some lip gloss because I already know so my lip have to moisturize, well moisturized. We don't do no crusty lips around here, right? So right now I'm just taking my Revlon. I'm not sure what color it is. Honestly guys, a lot of the stuff I use I'm not sure of the color, but I'm just using it. That's my foundation. So yeah. Right here I'm just using my Morphe brush and I'm just blending it all over my face. You know, because we have to look flawless. We have to look well neat and nice. You have to get your neck too because you don't want to look like you're wearing a mask. Yeah. Goody, well flawless. Now I'm taking my Pro Concealer, my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to put it under my eyes. You know, you have to brighten up the eyes. You know, the under eyes, you know, when them well nice and well shocked. We capture man. I hope you guys could understand me. Those who don't understand what I'm saying, I'm speaking in patois. My bad, I just have a habit. Anyways, I'm putting it on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin. Because those are the parts where, you know, I want it to be highlighted. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. stippling brush and I'm just going to blend under my eye and on my nose and on my chin. Anywhere where I place the concealer, that's where I'm going to blend with the stippling brush. Blend it real good, goodie. Yeah. Now I'm just taking the Morphe brush. I like to use it to blend under my eyes with the excess foundation that was left on the brush, just so I don't look white, you know. I don't want to look like a ghost. So right here I'm just taking my palette. I'm not sure what it's called, but I use it for baking my under eyes, but I don't really bake. I just press it on my eyes. You will see right here. I just rub it right in. I don't like the extra, you know, the extra product under my eyes because I find that when I do that, I look ghostly. So right here, I'm just taking the darker color and I'm putting it over, you know, to just look more natural and not look ghostly, as I said before. Guys, I really hate when I take pictures and then there's like a flashback and I look like a real dopey. I don't like that. So I'm just rubbing it in. Put it on my nose and my chin and my forehead. So right now I'm going in with my contour shade. It's the darkest color on the palette. When I first apply it, it might look like it's light, but as you blend in, it has like a bronzy effect and it looks really nice. It doesn't look too harsh. There's not a harsh line, so I'm doing it on the other side as well. Just blending it right in. I do underneath my chin because you don't know, so girl face fat and I want to look like a slimmer. So right now that powder is going to make my face look more chiseled and less fat, you know. I do it on my forehead. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm doing it on my nose because you don't know, so girl nose want to slim down and so. Yeah. So I'm gonna get that straight nose, you know, like Barbie, straight nose. Now I'm going in with my Modern Renaissance palette with that brown color at the end. I'm just gonna put it, it's my transition color, so I'm putting it, you know, just above my crease. I'm just blending it right in. You can't really see it, but it's a color that matches my skin tone. Next, I'm using that pink shade. It's called Love Letter, and I'm gonna put it right in my crease. And I'm not going right from the beginning of my eye. I'm going from the center to the V section, and I'm just blending it right in there. Doing that same thing on the other side, and I'm using the fluffy brush on the opposite side. This brush is from the Modern Renaissance palette. It's a fluffier brush, and I use it to blend in. Now I'm taking that color. I'm not sure what it says. I'm just looking at the video and I'm trying to see what it says, but I'm not sure. But I'm using that, and I'm putting it right on top of the Love Letter, and I'm just blending it in with the fluffier side of the brush. Same for the other side. This look, it kind of looks kind of flirty. Girl feel like she look good and suck. Yes, goody, yeah, whoa, Ray. Now what me I sing? Anyways, I'm going in with my Sephora Pro palette, and I'm just taking that purple color, and I'm gonna put it right on top of the other colors that I have applied on my eyes already. And it's just to brighten up that pink color. Now I'm going in with that lighter blue, not the darkest blue, but the lighter blue. And I'm going to put it right in my crease. And it's to add a little more depth. Oh God, I can't even talk properly. As I said, it's to add a little bit more depth to make the crease look more darker. And I'm just blending it right in. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in a lighter shade, and I'm just going to apply it where I'm going to apply my glitter. And it also helps with cutting the crease. Yeah, make sure it will cut up like sharp knife, you know. I don't know butter knife thing on here. We have the sharp knife. Now I'm going back in with the Modern Renaissance, and I'm using the lightest color on the palette, and I'm going to put it right on top of the concealer to set the concealer. Now I'm going in with my Eye Candy Cosmetics glitter. It's like a disco ball color. And that's the liquid sugar. That's the name of their adhesive. And I'm using that fine brush, and I'm going to use it to apply the glitter. So what I do first is I dip the brush in the liquid sugar, then I dip it into the glitter, and then I apply it on my eye. You see how that look well pretty? Do the same thing for the other side. Yellow glisten. Now I'm taking my Kat Von D tattoo ink liner. Just give it a good shake. Make sure product is on the end of the tip. Now I'm just gonna put it on. I'm doing a nice little wing. One thing with me, I don't like when my eyeliner is too thick. May I feel sweet or fat. Now I went back in with the pink colored Love Letter, and I just put a little bit under my eye, just to add a little bit more color. Now I'm going in with my Better Than Sex mascara, waterproof. And I'm just going to apply it on my eyelashes. Guys, I don't really wear eyelashes that often, so this tutorial is very easy for people who don't use eyelashes. Oh my god, I got the mascara on my nose, but it's okay. I can just brush it off with my foundation brush. And I like to do the bottom of my eyelashes to, you know, make my eyes look a little bit more wider. Cute, cute, cute. Now I'm just brushing off the excess powder that was left on my face. Now I'm going in with my ABH Glow Kit palette, the Sun Dipped, the color Bronze, and I'm just putting it on the cheekbones, you know, because my highlight has to pop. Can't really see it on this side because of the lighting. Do it on the other side. Yeah. Yes, the glow right there, so yeah. You can see that the glow there from outer space. Yeah, goodie. Putting it on my nose, because you don't know, so girl nose off a glisten so. Because when I take with girl man, I have to look good and so. I'm joking, guys. I don't do those things. I'm just being extra. Now I'm taking my NYX Liquid Suede lip color in this dark, deep purple color, and I'm just applying it on my lips. It just ties the whole look together. Have a nice, sexy, sensual look. Now I'm just applying a little bit more of the highlighter on my Cupid's bow. Yeah, yeah. Check out the highlight. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, red carpet thing we said, oh. I'm just taking out the clips. Gonna brush up my hair. Look like a sweeter girl them also. Yeah.
Thank you for watching, guys. That's how you achieve this look. For New Year's, what is your New Year's resolution? My New Year's resolution, I have a business and I just want to work more on that business, and I just want it to, you know, become more successful in the new year. There's something else I'm going to do. A lot of people don't know that I'm going to start doing this, but you guys will find out later down in the year. So yeah, that's my New Year's resolution. So you guys have a great night. Stay safe. Turn up, but don't turn up too much. Drive safe. Make sure you guys have a designated driver if you guys are planning on turning over, because we don't do the drunk driving. We don't do that, right? Okay, so have a good night.